Hello, Elen.
Hi guys.
So many things that you buy here in Philippines.
I did not buy this. It's Lola's gift. Ivan's Lola's gift for baby Ivan. Guys, ayun na. There's Pantulog, Dino. Me and Kathleen are trying our best to fast forward it. Guys, fast. Sayang plastic. Sayang bubble wrap. Ay, ang ganda nito.
Walker.
Let's keep the box.
Multifunction walker.
Let's keep the box so we can bring it in India. So, ayan guys, binili ng mother ko si Baby Ivan ng high chair. And pinipix na ngayon ng daddy para hindi ako nahihirapan. And hindi kami nahihirapan sa pagpapakain sa kanya. So, pwede siyang ganyan na nakaupo. And pwede rin siyang lagyan ng ganito, mga pipe. So, inaayos na ng asawa ko.
Hello, Elen.
Hi guys.
So many things that you buy here in Philippines.
I did not buy this. It's Lola's gift. Ivan's Lola's gift for baby Ivan. So, kasama natin ngayon ang kapatid ko, si Kat. So, pagdating sa mga parcels, siya talaga very excited.
So many parcel maraming.
Shopee girl.
Dapat
Look.
talaga ako rin magbubukas. Tapos sabi ni ate, mag-video.
Siyempre naman, para unboxing tayo, di ba? So, ang dami nating mga parcels dito. Isa-isa na nating i-check kung ano nga ba yung mga pinamili nila. Actually, guys, we already unboxed some of the items. Like yung bathtub, bumili una naman ng bathtub yung lola niya. Meron na tayong kulambo. Ayan, nakakulambo na si Baby Ivan dyan sa loob. And then, meron tayong maliit na kulambo for our resort para doon hindi siya nakakagat. Ano ba yung mga inopen na natin?
Stroller.
Yung stroller niya, yung video na nakikita nyo, yun, inopen na yung 4 na item. So, ito na yung iba. So, we'll go and open it one by one. So, ayan guys, open na natin. Pili ko mas excited si Kathleen sa akin kaysa sa akin. Excited ka?
Satisfying kasi
O, sige, una ka. Una. Alam niyo naman saan kami bumili, guys.
Scene. So many scene.
Shein, baka naman.
Ay, sponsor naman. Ala, nagising na. Guys, so nagising yung baby ko. So, pinatulog ko muna siya ulit. Ay, bongga naman yan. Actually, guys, sabi ng mother ko, bumili daw siya ng kaunting 9 to 12 months. Tapos, mas marami yung 12 to 18 months and 18 to 24 months para habang lumalaki siya, is magagamit pa niya. And, you know guys, even last time na nagpunta kami sa Philippines, ang dami pang mga bagong damit ni Baby Ivan in our cupboard. No, Milan? There's so many new clothes pa. So, ayan, this is how it looks like. Guys, pair. So, meron tayong pair dito. Next. Bilisan natin. Kasi baka hindi tayo matapos. This is at least 30-40 pairs. Sarap. Ayun, yung cute nito, oh. Ay, ito 9 to 12 months. Ivan can wear this one now. You separate the 9 to 12 months, Kat. Para, aesthetic. Ano to? Ito 12 to 18 months. While hindi pa kasya ni baby yan. Hindi pa kasya. Next. Open na natin. Diba? Ang gaganda. Separate na natin yung mga masusuot na nyo this time. Ay, ang cute nito. Oh, ito 9 to 12 months. Pwede niyang pang araw-araw. Together with shorts. Ayan. Next.
18 months.
Ay, 12 to 18 months. Pero kasya na to.
He
Do you
can
think
fit.
so?
Yes.
It can fit na.
Cute.
I think it's a little bit big. Pero sige, we can wear it na.
He can fit.
Let's see. Next. Mabilisan na lang guys because there's so much thing to open. If I will fast forward it, mind my voice. Ito. Ay, ang cute. Ganda. Actually, ilang araw na kami nandito sa Actually, ilang araw na kami nandito sa bahay. Pero hindi pa ako nakakapag-unboxing kasi sobrang dami kong ginagawa. So, ayan. Ay, ang ganda niyan. 12 to 18. Ayun. May pang malamig. Kasi sa India, guys, kapag July, medyo malaki na si Ivan nun, di ba? Ay, ang cute.
Ito pa.
So cutie. Kanya-kanya ng open.
Ganda.
Cutie.
Ito mala ano.
Ay, 9 to 12 months. Oh, aesthetic. Diba? Iwan can wear this.
Look.
Roy, very big
For what?
12 to
12 to
18.
18 months. See?
in India.
Mm-mm.
In winter.
Because ano, for winter.
For winter. Ito 9 to 12 months. Iwan can wear this. So much. Magkano yung ginastos mo dito? 20,000?
Mm-mm. Oo.
Roy,
Ay, hindi. No.
25,000.
15.
Sa damit lang. What about the
Oo.
other things?
5,000 na rin.
Eh di 20. 20 nga.
Hindi, sa clothes.
15,000 sa clothes. Ah, okay. Niinan pa niya.
This, oh. Ang ganda.
Ang dami. Ito
For
guys,
ano?
oh. Ito oh, kasha
Ito,
kay
ano,
baby
te?
Iwan. Bagay na bagay.
9 to 12, pwede na to.
Ito, meron pa siyang bag. So much clothes. 15,000 pesos daw yung ginastos niya. Magkano yun? 23,000 rupees. 23,000 rupees to. Mahal. Katlin. Okay, this is finished na. Let's...
Ang dami.
Ay, ito meron pa. Ay, Katlin, ang dami naman yan. Daming
Ito.
binili ng mother ko.
More on... Feel ko ano, 9 to 12 months.
Oo. Ay, ang cute
And then,
nito.
12 to
12
18.
to 18, mga panglamig. Panglamig para kay baby Iwan.
Turn na para hindi na mag-isip ng
Susuot. Pampapares. Oh, this one. Let's do this one. Where's the scissor? Dami. Para malabhan na yung mga pang 9 to 12 months, guys. Diba? Para masuot na ng baby ko dito sa Philippines. Dami. Guys, pasensya na kung mahaba itong video ko. Ipa-fast forward ko na lang. Talagang na-excite lang kami sa pag-open. Ay, kaganda nito. Ay, mga jackets. Ang dami. 12 to 18
hoodie.
months. Ayan, malamig kasi sa India, guys, during that time. Kaya mga hoodie ang mga pinabili
Ito naman
natin.
pang tulog. 3 pairs.
Ayan, pang tulog. Kailangan na yung baby ko yan. Ayan.
Oh, ang cute.
Ay, ang
12
cute
to
ito.
18.
Bakit puro 12 to 18 na? Malalaki na, no? Kasi ang inisip siguro ng mother ko, if, ayan, puro 12 to 18.
May pants pa to, guys. Oh.
Ang inisip siguro ng mother ko, guys, dahil nga 9 to 12, dahil mag-1 year na si Ivan, baka if marami siyang biniling 9 to 12, hindi na magkasya sa kanya. Ay, ang cute nito pang winter
Ganda.
talaga, oh.
Pang ano, pang beach
lamig
niya.
na lamig. Ayan, beach, tama. Saktong-sakto, magbe-beach tayo. Pagkarating ng mga biyanan ko. Mabilisan na tayo.
Masusuot na ng
Ay, oo. Yung mga 9 to 12 months, i-separate mo nga. Meron pa ba?
pang tulog.
Ayan. This one is 12 to 18 months ulit. Mga jacket.
Ito din, Nemo.
So much. Gift from Lola.
12 to 8. Ay, 9 to 12, no?
Gift
Oh.
from Lola. Ay, okay. So, meron ding pants.
Ay, very big.
Oo. Very big pa. Mabilis, we are doing fast. Fast, ano. Ay, ito 9 to 12. Ay, okay.
Why so many?
So much, Jo. Lola, thank you so much, Lola.
Oh, cute.
Ay, this is for ano?
More on polo.
This is for night dress. Lola, thank you so much. Ay, this is 9 to 12 months. Ayan, pwede niyo isuot. Here.
Ay, ito pang
this is
tulog.
this is pants.
We still have to wash it, right?
Oo. That's why we are opening it right now. So, we can
Ito pang
wash it
tulog.
already.
Ang cute. Green.
Gaganda. Very, very good. Guys, ayun na. There's pantulog, dino. Me and Kathleen are trying our best to fast forward it. Guys, fast.
Dinosaur. Ang cute.
This one is, okay, 9 to 12 months. Shorts.
Black.
Shorts.
Atta bada shorts. He cannot wear it every day.
T-shirt.
It's like more than 1
It's
month
still
of
big.
cloth.
Big still.
Oh, hoodie last.
Mm.
Ang cute. Ano to?
Hmm?
Dual purpose. Dual purpose.
Ay, okay. Ano siya?
Two side.
Two side. Ah. Okay. Wow.
Pero mas maganda yung blue.
Humot. What about this thing? Big boxes.
Open.
Let's see.
Okay. These are for Ivan para hindi siya mahirapan magkasugat-sugat.
Okay.
Okay.
So he don't
Ayan.
hurt himself.
The other one, let's open the other stuff.
Very good.
Where we will put that?
Here.
Sala.
Everywhere. What is this? Actually, there's also blender, guys, na bumili kami for baby Ivan.
For food.
For food niya. So, we also opened that one. This is what? Oh, sige. Bigay natin sa kanya for opening. Open. Open. Start na.
Start.
Tayo mo.
Pwede mo naman kasing open ng buo. Sayang plastic. Sayang bubble wrap. Ay, ang ganda nito.
Walker!
Let's keep the box.
Multifunction walker.
Let's keep the box so we can bring it in India.
It's better, Ilan. It's better not to open.
Ito, dito sa side.
No, don't open, Ilan.
Why?
We'll bring it in India as it is.
You can return
this is
it,
this is the time to this is the time to practice walking. What do you mean?
Okay.
So you just have to keep all the parts. You have to assemble. Wow, so it will look like this. The walker. Let's keep it aside. Because Milan will assemble this for baby Ivan. Last but not the least. Oh, Ivan have toys pa, diba? You forgot to bring the toys of Ivan. So many toys of Ivan. Toys are different video na lang. Because it's too much. I think this is food chair, high chair for eating. No? Right? Yan. Ivan, ha? You're very spoiled, ha, anak? Spoiled by Lola. Oh. You're spoiled by Lola.
Chair.
Hila. Oh, it's a chair.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow, bongga. Thank you, Lola. I think... So, here's Doc Milan. He will fix everything now. Let's see. That's his participation. Fixing stuff. Thank you, Lola Katrina, for the high chair po. Ayan, talagang kapag unang apo, no? Talagang spoiled na spoiled. Naniniwala ba kayo, guys? Na kapag unang apo ay spoiled talaga sa mga lola at lolo. Ayan. Ang dami. Ito pa, oh. You have to fix this also, Milan the Walker. Guys, so natapos na ni Kuya Milan ito. Ngayon, ito natapos na rin namin. Do you think it's approved with this? Mian Kalin did this. Approve or not approve? Pwede? O, yan pala eh. So, ayan guys. Bukas pa try natin kay baby ko yan. Tignan natin kung magugustuhan niya.